I could have also used my graphing calculator for this, and I'm going to graph them both in my calculator. I like to use Calculate 84 on my iPad. So in y equals, I like to put in my equation. So first one, x minus 2. Okay, and then I need to put in my other equation, which was negative 2x plus 4. And then what I can do is hit graph, and you might have to hit zoom and then choose standard. So zoom and choose number 6, the standard one, before you hit graph, and you can see the two lines intersect. Now you can't, on this calculator, can't see exactly where they intersect, so I know it's something between 0 and 3 for the x coordinate, so maybe it's 1 or 2, but if I go to my table, I'll notice if it was 1 or 2, notice here at 2, the y coordinates are both 0. So that's how I know they intersected at 2, 0, because the y coordinates were the same there. So if you would like to use your calculator, you can, but what I need to see from you is I need to see the picture of your graph on your calculator. Just so take a screenshot of it or take a picture. If you prefer to do it on your calculator, so in my calculator I can put y equals negative 3x plus 1, and then I can put in negative 1/2 x minus 4, and I can hit graph, and I see they intersect again. It looks like the x coordinate somewhere between 0 and 3, and the y coordinate this time is between negative 3 and negative 6. So if the x coordinate's between 0 and 3, I'm going to go to my table, and I notice, so at 1, the y coordinates are not the same, but when I go to 2, the y coordinates are the same. So that's how I know they intersect at 2, negative 5. Look for where the y coordinates are the same. You can also, instead, once this is graphed, you can go to second trace, and you can find the intersection by choosing number 5, and then it'll ask for left bound and right bound. So I notice my two x's are to the left of where they intersect, so I'm going to hit enter. Now it asks for the right bound, so I'm going to move my right arrow key to where they are to the right of where they intersect and hit enter. And then it tells me they intersect, notice where it says intersection P equals 2, negative 5. That's another way to find where they intersect.